In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste when not allowed in Excel. If you have ever opened a spreadsheet that was locked down and you could not even select a single cell, this method will get you around that restriction quickly using Google Sheets. Let's jump right in. Start by opening Excel and loading the file you want to work on. Once it is open, try clicking on any cell inside the data area. You will notice that nothing happens at all. The cells refuse to respond. Now try pressing Ctrl+C on your keyboard to copy. Again, nothing gets copied because the sheet is fully restricted. To confirm exactly why this is happening, head up to the Review tab at the top of the ribbon and look for the Unprotect Sheet button. The fact that this button is sitting there tells you the sheet is protected with a password. And since you do not know that password, you cannot unlock it the normal way. Once you have confirmed the restriction, go ahead and close Excel completely. Now we are going to take a different route. Open your web browser and navigate to drive.google.com. When the page loads, look at the top right corner and check the avatar to make sure you are signed into your Google account. If you are not signed in, sign in first before continuing. Once you are inside Google Drive, look at the top left of the screen and click the New button. A small menu will pop out, and from that menu you want to click File Upload. A file picker window will open up on your computer. Browse to where the locked Excel file is saved and select it to start uploading. Now wait patiently while the file uploads. You will see a small upload toast notification at the bottom right corner of the screen, and once it is finished, it will say one upload complete. With the file now sitting in your drive, find it in the file list and right-click directly on it. A context menu will appear with several options. Hover your mouse over the Open with option, and a secondary menu will slide out to the side. From that secondary menu, click Google Sheets. Google Sheets will now open the file in a brand new browser tab. Once it loads, you will immediately notice something wonderful. The sheet protection is completely gone. You can click any cell freely. The cells respond, and the lock that was blocking you in Excel no longer applies here. Now it is time to grab all of that data. Press Ctrl+A on your keyboard to select every cell in the sheet. Once everything is highlighted, press Ctrl+C to copy all of that selected data to your clipboard. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Next, open Excel back up on your computer. We need a clean canvas to paste into, so go to the File menu in the top left. Then click New, and then choose Blank Workbook. Excel will open up a fresh, untouched workbook with no protection on it whatsoever. Click on cell A1 in the top left corner of this new workbook so that your paste lands in the right starting position. Now press Ctrl+V to paste. Watch as all of the data from the locked file flows into the new workbook, and this time every single cell is fully editable. The final piece is to save your work so you do not lose it. Press Ctrl+S on your keyboard to bring up the Save dialog. You want to give this a fresh name so you can tell it apart from the original locked version. Type in the file name q1-sales-unlocked.xlsx, and then confirm the save. Choose your desired folder location and click Save to finish the process. And that is the full method for copying and pasting from an Excel file that has been locked down. By routing the file through Google Sheets, you skip the protection entirely and end up with a clean, editable workbook ready for you to use however you need. Thanks for watching, and I will